Hello my friends, welcome to Tassel Tuesday. Today I am making two purple tassels. And because these tassels are purple, I'm also going to join in with my friends Annie Creates, by Mimi with Love, and Linda's Creative Life as they host Enjoy Purple with us. And they host that once a month. So I thought that would be kind of fun to join in with them. Now last week you might remember I made a beautiful pink shabby chic tassel, and I used lace for the I guess a handle or the thing that you would hang the tassel from. Well, this week I wanted to make sure that I showed you how you can use a Lobster Claw Clasp. And we use those to hang the tassels from our journals or our books. Now you can hang a cloth one too, but I wanted to show you how you could use this Lobster Claw Clasp on one. Now you can see I have quite a bit of fiber here, but I was able to twist it tight enough so that I could work it through the hole on this clasp. To ensure that your fibers do not come loose, you need to tie a ribbon or trim or whatever you'd like around the top of that, right underneath where the fibers hang through the clasp. That way it'll keep them nice and tight and they won't come loose and they won't fall out. If you are new to my channel, I want to mention to you that I have an extensive playlist of tassel making videos. Some of them are how-tos, some of them are showing off the different types of tassels that I made, but if you have questions about tassels, let me know and check out my playlist because I have quite a variety of different kinds of tassels if you are new to tassel making. And if you're wondering what we do with our tassels, we hang them in our homes for decor. I have some hanging in my dining room, but also we hang them from our junk journals. And when you have your journals, or even books, you could have books up on a bookshelf. When you have them there and you have a tassel hanging from it, it just looks so beautiful. So it's basically an embellishment to our journals or even to our books. I've decided that I want to add some embellishments to these tassels, and you'll notice that on this tassel that I'm trimming, I already added an acrylic piece that has a dried flower inside. So I think this tassel would be really beautiful with either a fairy journal or a garden journal of some sort. And on this tassel I added, oh look at this cute little mushroom that I added, oh goodness. I love it so much. That was given to me in Happy Mail, and I have been hoarding it for quite a while because I wanted to be able to use it for just the perfect thing. And then of course I've added some other purple embellishments onto this tassel as well. Now I did not show you the embellishment the way that I made those, but I do have videos on that as well, and most likely that's going to be mixed in with my Tassel Tuesday videos if you are interested in that. Making those is sort of tedious and it's a little bit of a snore, so that's why I don't show how I do that on the videos every time I make them. Friends, thank you so much for spending time with me. I am going to list these, one or both of these, into my Etsy shop. Hopefully I have those up by the time this video rolls out. Thanks for watching. See you soon.